Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Create an account using your business email and choose a secure password. After verifying your email, enter your business name, industry, and financial year start date so reports align with tax periods. Choose a subscription plan that matches monthly needs and user access. Pricing often starts with a basic plan that handles invoicing and bank connections. Connect your bank now via bank reconciliation setup to automatically import transactions, or upload bank statements as CSV to begin matching receipts and categorizing expenses for accurate books. Customize the chart of accounts to match your business needs and tax categories so reporting is meaningful. Create revenue, expense, asset, liability, and equity accounts with account codes that follow your accountant's preferences, and delete or merge unused accounts to avoid clutter. Import or enter opening balances using your last period closing trial balance and set the opening date. Configure sales tax rates and default tax settings per account, and enable tracking categories if you need department, location, or project-level reporting for percent-based analysis. Create invoice templates with payment terms, logo, and online payment options to speed client billing and accept card or bank transfers. Record bills and attach supplier receipts, schedule recurring bills for predictable expenses, and match payments to vendor transactions during reconciliation to keep accounts payable current. Set up payroll, enter employee details, and configure pay calendars and deductions so gross to net calculations and tax filings are accurate. Run a test pay run, review PAYG and employer superannuation settings, and link payroll reports to your general ledger.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.